Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the Youdle NFT, how to set up the Youdle NFT. And so the Youdle is interactive NFT connection by Youdle. And that's from the team, the InverArch team. The Youdle right now is listed on the Singular. You can see all kinds of Youdle now. So if you hold the rainbow ticket and you haven't redeemed that, you should do that as soon as possible because there's a form you can fill out. So now the Youdle, let's see, for the Youdle, I have my Youdle, and you can check the accessories and the inventory, and you can click manage, and you can check your Youdle. And if you want to equip one of the accessory, for example, the eyes, I cannot equip because you already have the eye. So one thing you need to do is that you have to unequip the eye, the other eye, the current eye you have, and equip the new one. So this is how you equip the accessory. And so if you go to your space, you can check all of different accessory. For example, this arm, and if I want to unbundle that means I want to first move it to my root account. So after that, then I can send it to the new Youdle NFT I want to use this arm. So now I just go ahead to unbundle, and I just click send, and then add, oh sorry, it's not send, it's add NFT, and add whatever NFT you want to equip this one. So by doing that, if you hold multiple NFT, if you buy the accessory from the Singular, you can send it to the NFT you want to equip. And so now I will just do the same thing on several of my Youdle NFT. Now I get my final Youdle NFT I would like to have. And so this is the NFT. I can click manage, and I can just equip Youdle. For example, this hair is right now the common one. I want to equip the ultra one, so I just equip the ultra hair. Now I can save the change. So sign that. And now just need to wait a little bit. You will have your final NFT. If you want to save the image, don't click save here. There is actually a button. You can download the media, and here you can right click and save the image. Save it to your computer, and then you can open that. So this is your final NFT that you equipped. It looks quite cool. So this is mine, and I would like to see what your NFT. Please share. You can leave a comment on the video or share the link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.